Today I have to work on it. So this is our connection to the database, you guys. Whoever is going to use this system. So it's just so simple to use. This is the development mode. Just clearing up this. So when you come back here, remember I've said this is the database, so that's it. So when you come back, it just prompts for us that if I put here wrong details, blah blah, I can't proceed because I have to write the authentication details. But if I put my username as that and password is that, if I click here, I'm logged into successfully in the system. When I click there, the VB takes us that part, which you're going to be prompting up a user to proceed with the details needed. And when I come back here, I can also go back. And if I click here, I can always go back to the same page. If I put the name of the person, maybe YouTube, another name maybe Google, the gender is Facebook. Okay, the date of birth is 2020, blah blah, whatever. The contact is any number you give. Then the height is approximately maybe 50, whatever. Maybe kg. Then the height maybe is 5 feet, whatever. Address maybe USA, if that's the point. We click there, it should be in position to submit first record to the MySQL database, and that's it. So that's good to go for that for now.